Hello guys, welcome back to Oxtack channel. So today we are going to talk about the Ansible Vault. What is the meaning of Ansible Vault? Ansible Vault. So if you are working with the Ansible Vault is a very important topic that you should aware. So what is Ansible Vault will be the second question. What is Ansible Vault? So it is basically a tool which help us to encrypting our sensitive information. Okay, so just like if you want to store the password API key or any secret information securely, so you can use it without any issue. So for this, what you have to do, you can mention that it is a tool that help you encrypt sensitive data. Okay, what is the mean? This means you can store password, API keys, or any secret information. Okay, securely without worrying about without worrying about someone reading it. So this is the features you will get. Okay, for example, if you have a password that you don't want to show in your playbook and you can encrypt it by using Ansible Vault. Okay, so Ansible Vault is easy. So how you are going to create, how to create and use Ansible Vault. For it is easy to use the Ansible Vault to create any secure file. So there will be a syntax that you can follow in order to create, just like Ansible Vault create, and then the name of file, just like secret.yml. So this will be command by using it, you can create it. So this will create a file name secret.yml. You will be asked to set a password for this file. This is the file. That's the password you are need to later to open or edit the file. So whenever you are creating any secret file by using the Ansible-Vault command, it will ask a password to make it secure. If you want to make it edit, if you want to make edit, you can perform the edit with the help of command. What is the command, guys? Ansible Vault edit secret.yml. But guys, at those moment, it will definitely ask you the password, which password you have used to encrypt your file. Okay, so this will be command. So if you are running this all playbooks or the Ansible Vault command, so if you want, you can definitely use them in a playbook also. So now we are going to see how to how to use in a playbook. Okay, in order to use in a playbook, there is a command just like vim, and you are creating a playbook. You can give any name, just like you are creating a playbook.yml. So when you are going to create playbook.yml, hit enter, press I button, triple hyphen, then name, whatever the name you have to give. So we are going to use to encrypt password. I'm just giving a name. Then there is a host section in which you are going to mention that for which host you want to run, just like I want to run for all. Then there will be a variable file in which you are going to define. So you have already created one file which name is secrets.txt or secret.yml. So similar name you have to give there. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to save it and I have to check what is the name. So the name of file is secret.yml. So I have to give the same name, secret.yml hyphen secret.yml. Then you have to mention task section. Then in task section, you have to mention name, show password. Then you can use the debug option there. In that debug option, you will get parameter MSG means message, and then you are going to print the output. So the password is, and then you will apply a bracket password. So guys, this is the one of the playbook, and in this playbook, you are going to use the secret.yml file in order to perform this. So this will be way that you can use in your system in order to work with the Ansible Vault, and you can secure your important information there. So this will be the command that you can include in a playbook. Along with this, if you have to run your playbook, so you have to given a command like that: Ansible playbook, Ansible playbook.yml, ask vault pass. So this will be command. By using this command, you can perform your running the playbook. So whenever you run the playbook, you will need to enter the password for encrypted file. You can run the playbook using the command I have mentioned there. So this will ask you to enter the vault password. So once you enter it, the encrypted data will be used safely in the playbook. I will mention as a statement that this will ask to enter the vault password. Okay. Once you enter it, the encrypted data will be used safely. So guys, this is all the things we have seen. So if you have to come to know about the conclusion, so what you see, you have seen till now that Ansible Vault, which we are using to encrypt our sensitive data, and it is used safely in your playbook. So as a conclusion, I can mention Ansible Vault to encrypt sensitive data and use it safely in your playbook. If you found okay. So by using this method, you can use the security and you can create some secure file by using the Ansible Vault and you can implement them in a playbook. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you. We will meet again in next video.